Welcome to the wilds of Africa, home to the largest birds on earth, the ostrich. Standing tall at up to 9 feet and weighing between 100 to 160 kilograms, ostriches hold the title of the largest and heaviest birds in the world. Ostriches are native to Africa, thriving in a range of open arid and semi-arid habitats. There are two recognized species: the common ostrich, found in areas of sub-Saharan Africa, and the Somali ostrich, found in the Horn of Africa. Despite their wings, ostriches can't fly. Instead, their wings are used for balance and display. Remarkably, ostriches are the fastest birds on land, capable of running at speeds up to 43 miles per hour and maintaining a steady pace of 30 to 37 miles per hour over long distances. Ostriches possess the largest eyes of any land animal, measuring about 2 inches in diameter, which is larger than their brains. This extraordinary trait helps them spot predators from a distance, ensuring their survival in the wild. Female ostriches lay the largest eggs of any living land animal. An ostrich egg can be up to 6 inches long and weigh as much as 3 pounds. Often, several females lay their eggs in the same communal nest. Ostriches are social creatures, living in groups called herds, typically comprising around 10 individuals. A herd usually includes one dominant male and one dominant female. With strong legs, ostriches can deliver powerful kicks capable of killing large predators. Unlike most birds, which have 3 or 4 toes, ostriches have only 2 toes on each foot. The larger toe has a sharp claw which is used for defense. Ostriches are omnivores, primarily feeding on leafy greens, flowering plants, roots, grasses, and succulents. They also occasionally consume fallen fruit and small animals like mice, lizards, frogs, and grasshoppers. In the wild, ostriches can live up to 30 to 40 years, while in captivity they can live even longer.